Okay, so service time on the Alfa. So I think it's a 7-year, 7-year service, is it? So yeah, we've got auxiliary belt, air filter. Right, so this is 7mm bolts. There appear to be 4. Slide it that way. Can I do that without disconnecting anything? I'd like to think so, wouldn't you? Of these. Yeah, needs changing. See not worse. I think it's this one. Lie in, sink down. Right, so yeah, auxiliary belt is changing. Squeeze, yeah. This is probably some super duper precision setup. Thing you're not supposed to undo, but I'm undoing it. Right, so there's a small bolt, quite long, on top, and then there is a nut on the lower section. Have I got a hose clamp to replace it with? Maybe not. One. So there are 2 fittings under here. The one with the yellow clips is to the left, the one with the black clips is to the right. No. We're leaving there. Okay, so that cover, I've removed 3 nuts and I still can't get it off. I can't see the other bolt or the other nut, so I'm going to leave it. I've got enough room to put the belt on, but so the belt goes all the way round the crank pulley on the left side, goes all the way around on the left. It goes on the smooth side, the back side on the tensioner comes up to the alternator, goes around obviously on the ribbed side, comes to this idler again on the back side, and then it goes around the AC compressor ribbed side, and then back down to, don't know, I was going to say power steering pump, but I think it's electric, whatever that is. Water pump. So yeah, ribbed side of the water pump, and then back round. So yeah. Right, so on the tensioner there's a keyway, you might be able to see it. You can put the 3H drive there, take the tension off, remove the belt, so I'm going to do that now. It says right, I'm in that belt. I can see 0 signs of cracking. It's fresh as a daisy to me. Hey-ho. This is the belt I have. Right, so back on with the new one. Right. Okay, so levering it down so I can get the tension on. Breaker bar back out. Use a breaker bar, it's easier with a breaker bar. Lid on, this is nice and clean. Normally give it a wipe up, but it does not need it. Engage the tabs at the back, up and engage. Snip these up because they are self-cutting threads just into plastic. So if you go too tight, strip the thread. So snip it up. And yellow hose on. That's on. That's on. Yellow to the left. Is, I think, on. Yep, 2 clicked on. That's got to be done up. That's got to be done up. Right. The 2 bolts, so the 2 Allen bolts, they were 4mm Allen bolts that mount the top of the air filter housing to the mass airflow sensor. There's 2 of those. And now we've just got to do this up, which don't do that one. Not sure if it needs to be. So I had to go out and get a hose clamp. I didn't have one this size, so hose clamp is now on. That's secure. So align these 2 points. Where are they? With these pieces. That's that. So there's the cover with the bolts, the nuts, shall I say, sticking out from the stud.